Embark on a journey to uncover hidden gems and embrace the extraordinary at Heathcote. Immerse yourself in ancient volcanic landscapes, so captivating they'll take your breath away. Witness the legacy of vineyards, lovingly tended and passed down through the ages, whispering secrets of tradition and heritage. Listen to stories shared by winemakers over handcrafted artisanal wine made from rich Cambrian soils. Indulge in culinary delights sourced locally, prepared with passions that ignite the senses. Seize the opportunity to witness its magnificence before the world awakens to its allure.